how to add hashtags on TikTok after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the post where you want to add hashtags and then you will see three dots on the bottom right. Tap on it and then swipe to the left. There you'll find edit post. Tap on it and now you'll see write a long description. So you can add your hashtags here or you can even tap on the hashtag option. So just tap on hashtag options and then you can put in the hashtag that you want. And there you go. It's as simple as that. You just have to tap on done and save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.